Hello, if you're looking to pick up Kachin language, it is just the right podcast for you. This podcast is for Kachin away from our homeland, for friends from different parts of Myanmar, and for global friends. Just want to share a simple expression we can use when we feel unwell or when any part of our body is uncomfortable. Machi-ai. Machi-ai. Machi-ai means it's hurt or it's painful. The pattern is simple. It's just body part plus machi-ai. That's the expression we can use to mention which part of our body is painful. Head is bo. So when we have a headache, we can say bo machi-ai. Bo machi-ai. Ear is na. I have an earache. We can say na machi-ai. Na machi-ai. Tooth is wa. I have a toothache. Wa machi-ai. Wa machi-ai. Hand is lata. When our hand gets hurt, we can say lata machi-ai. Lata machi-ai. But keep in mind that in Kachin language, lata literally refers to the upper limb. So if we get hurt anywhere between the arm and fingers, either on your arm, on your wrist, on your finger, we can say lata machi-ai. Leg is lako. So if our leg gets hurt, we can say lako machi-ai. Lako machi-ai. And lako also refers to lower limb. So if we get hurt anywhere on our leg, we can say lako machi-ai. Belly or abdomen is gan. Gan. So if we feel uncomfortable anywhere in our belly, we can say gan machi-ai. Gan machi-ai. The last one, I have a backache, is nshang machi-ai. Nshang machi-ai. Dear friends, you may wonder, well, how do I say I have a sore throat or I have a pain in my knee? Well, don't worry about that. Just remember, machi-ai. Machi-ai. We don't really have to remember or know all the vocabularies because communication is made by making a good use of gesture. So you can just point your fingers to any part of your body that is painful and say machi-ai. Then we understand, really. Dear friends, I have an important information to share. That is, when you visit Kachin land or you meet Kachin community and you feel suddenly unwell and you say bo machi-ai, nshang machi-ai, then we Kachin people will recommend you to have mookong kut. Mookong is a traditional remedy we Kachin people have commonly used for quite a long time. I understand mookong is a daunting experience or even shocking remedy if you are new to it. We are also aware that there have been many debates on mookong from modern medical perspective, scientific perspective against our traditional belief. Mookong might not be the most effective remedy to cure your illness, but it is the remedy we Kachin people believe to be the best one. So, dear friends, if Kachin people ever recommend you to have mookong, please do not be quick to be critical about the remedy. Instead, try to see our good intention, our goodwill for you. Mookong remedy itself is not so much agreeable, but when we recommend you mookong, all we want is for you to feel better, a lot better sooner.